Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be putting PIXI's Glow Tonic Skin Treats to the test with PIXI's Skin Treats Rose Tonic. So we are going to see which one is perfect for you. With that being said, 3.4 ounces of PIXI's Glow Tonic will run you $15, and 3.4 ounces of PIXI's Rose Tonic will run you $15 as well, plus tax. So you'll pay about, I would say, depending on where you go, maybe like $16 because of tax. With that being said, because they are both the same price, I wanted to put them side by side, like so that's what we're going to do today in this video. With that being said, let's go ahead and swatch both products. You know, it is a liquid, so let's pray for a miracle. That is the Rose Tonic. I mean, this is just so pointless, but I am going to be a team player and get through it anyway. Glow Tonic. Ooh, 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 come on, Glow. Okay, so I tried to put it as far as I could, but this is Glow Tonic. Can you guys see? Is this really pointless? You know, I'm gonna stop swatching liquids, but can you guys see? You know what this is about, you guys. Let's just scrap this part of the video. So Rose Tonic sort of just smells like a refreshing rose, or like you're in a beautiful rose garden, just beautiful, like an English rose. That's what it smells like. Now let's go ahead and go to Glow Tonic. Now Glow Tonic smells like you know, I mean, oddly enough, it has fragrance in it, so you know, it smells like you're in a hair salon, maybe getting like something done to your hair. That's how it smells. It's not a burn smell. It's like one of those treatments, like those chemical treatments you get done to your hair. Okay, you guys, so I am going to go ahead and put Glow Tonic on this side of my face and Rose Tonic on this side of my face. And we are going to see what both of them are working with. Actually, I wanted to saturate them both so they could dry at the same time. But let's just go ahead and start with Glow Tonic, and we'll move on from there. So here we go. I saturated the pad really well. That's just what I like to do with my toners, tonics, glycolic acids. I saturate really well so you guys can see. Let me turn the light down. Okay, you guys, so here is Rose Tonic. There we have it. What do you guys think? So oddly enough, right now, just like applying Rose Tonic and Glow Tonic feels like it's sticking to my skin, and this just feels like a refreshing mist or water, if that makes sense. So it's like this is about to do something, and this is just, you know, you're outside on a hot day and your face feels so hot, and then you apply this to your face and it's like refreshing. So that's how Rose Tonic feels. I saturated them both the same, and literally you see how my face is drenched while Glow Tonic, it has just dried down. I'm gonna just go over together with both just to be fair. So here we go. There you have it. Okay, you guys, let me get the back of my neck. Okay, you guys, so I am going to go ahead and do a close-up. Okay, you guys, so here's Rose Tonic. It hasn't dried down yet, but here it is. And here is Glow Tonic. What do you guys think? Okay, see what I was saying, you guys? Like, you see how it's like, it's drying down, but it's like sticking to your skin. And this one's like refreshing and hydrating your skin. You see that? Like, you can even tell on my face. Like, let me turn the light down just a little bit more. Can you guys tell? Look at It's like a shine, a glow, and this one's just refreshing. So yeah, I am going to let them dry down, let them seep into my skin for 20 minutes, and then we will be back to see the final results in the next close-up. Let me turn the light down. Side note, my face looks plumper on this side. Or is it me? Let me stop talking. See, it's a little lift. You see that plumpness? And this one's just drooping. Am I angled correctly? Hold on, let me angle. You see? See? But let me turn the light down. Glow tonic, what do you guys think? Here is rose tonic. What do you guys think? Here is my forehead. Glow tonic. Rose tonic. Here's my chin. Glow tonic. And rose tonic. What do you guys think? What do you think? Let me get the mirror. I swear it's like this cheek is plumped. But we have a lot to discuss. So let's talk about it. So I do want to say this. PIXI's Glow Tonic is an AHA, so if you are going to use it, I would suggest you use it at night. And if you're going to use Rose Tonic, you can use it in the AM or PM, just because Glow Tonic does have an AHA in it. Just use it at night because of sun sensitivity, and it's just best to use AHAs and BHAs at night, in my opinion. With that being said, aside of that, just comparing them side by side, they do total different things. I do want to make that clear. They do totally different things. So Glow Tonic is an AHA, so it's exfoliating your skin, helping with your hyperpigmentation. It's just really giving you great bright skin. As in Rose Tonic is hydrating your skin, it's balancing your pH as well as your inflammation on your skin. I will say the hydrating of both, which is shocking because as we were applying it, I was kind of surprised that it was going to be as hydrating as it was the Rose Tonic. The Rose Tonic is very hydrating, it's very calming, and it's very soothing on the skin. So if you're looking for just a nice, rose water, you love rose water in your skincare routine, you haven't found one that's really hydrating, I really suggest you try Rose Tonic. It's really interesting that they're both the same price, and I kind of get why people would be confused on which one to get, because Rose Tonic is the same amount as Glow Tonic, but they do totally different things. So it's just so weird to me how that works. I will say my pores were visibly smaller, in my opinion, on the Rose Tonic side as opposed to the Glow Tonic side. I will say that. So it really depends on what you're looking for in your skincare routine, which one you should go for. So if you are looking to help with your hyperpigmentation, help with acne scars, if your skin's like dry, dull, and you're looking to just get visibly brighter skin, I think Glow Tonic is the way you want to go. If you're looking for a product that's really hydrating, that's really going to moisturize your skin, calm down your inflammation, redness, balance your pH, I think Rose Tonic is the perfect way to go for you. I also think that Rose Tonic, really, if you're going to use this, you really don't need to add a really thick cream, because this is really hydrating. And even when I wear Rose Tonic all over my face, it's just a very hydrating toner. So I always go in with a water gel. However, if you have dry skin, I suggest going in with a thicker cream, but not too heavy if you're going to use Rose Tonic, because it's just very hydrating. So this is how it feels on my face. So Rose Tonic feels like very hydrating, just very like supple, and then Glow Tonic feels like my skin is just smooth but matte. So that makes sense. So my skin feels matte on this side, and it feels like really hydrating and supple on this side. Oddly enough though, looking in the screen finder, this cheek, even now, this cheek is puffy and this one is drooping. So, you know, I have nothing to say. So I know you have a question, and I know what your question is. Well, what if I want to buy both? If you want to buy both and you want to know when to use them, this is my suggestion, depending on your skincare routine. And if you want to buy both, I will use Rose Tonic in the AM and I will use Glow Tonic at night. I will use Rose Tonic after cleansing, depending on if you double cleanse, you use an essence or not. I will use Rose Tonic, and then at night, depending on how you cleanse and if you use an essence or not, then you can slather Glow Tonic on your face at night, and then use your moisturizer. And then while you're sleeping with Glow Tonic, your skin is repairing itself, it's regenerating itself, while in the morning you have Rose Tonic on your face. It's hydrating, balancing your pH, and calming your skin. You see how that works? So that's if you want to buy both of them, I would suggest you do it. It really just all depends on what you're looking for in your skincare routine and what results you want. So if you're looking for brighter skin, you want something that is going to exfoliate your skin, then I would go with Glow Tonic. If you want something that's going to hydrate your skin, keep your skin moisturized, which is why Rose Tonic is the bomb, then I would go ahead and go with Rose Tonic. Those are just my 2 cents on both products. Let me know in the comments down below, which one do you prefer? What do you think of both products? I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.